sometimes you're not aware of your own parents' stature in a sense, but when your parents met and they got together and stuff, it was quite path-breaking. I remember this being, in those days, very bold.
Yeah.
Did your childhood get influenced by that ever?
I mean, whatever I've heard of from them, they've been very nonchalant about it. So it wasn't like, oh my God, what did my parents do? Of course, I mean, I remember one thing was my parents got married much later. So always in school, I thought, oh wait, why aren't my parents married? But the older I got, I realized it was really cool for me personally. Not that, you know, marriage is wrong or anything, but just to be cool about what you're doing. Like, this is what I want to do.
So was it difficult? Because Chennai is not exactly the most open-minded modern place, is it? I mean, you're going to a normal school, you have parents.
I didn't go to a normal school. I went to a very utopian school, so I survived over there. I think also the school a child goes to makes a big difference.
Yes.
And I went to, I think, the perfect school for me. So, no, nobody asked me, ki, are, you know, nothing. The parents weren't reacting like that, so it was fine. It wasn't a big deal.
Like the way I imagine it, you probably had like this carefree, bohemian, independent. Oh, actually, was it the reverse? It was regimented discipline.
It was bang in the middle, I'd say. Yeah. It was a very artistically free home. And Dad at home itself is like very mellow and just sing on the top of your lungs. Dinner table means like random Antakshari meets Led Zeppelin, God knows what. So I grew up in a very free home, and but it was also important, like, if you wanted to be an artist, then you have to give in these many hours a day to whatever you're doing. If, you know, so they let me kind of go through that whole transition. Like, one day I wanted to be a lawyer, one day I wanted to be an athlete, and they were just like, do everything. If you want to be a lawyer, then study this.
But do it properly.
Yeah.
And what is a typical dinner table conversation? I mean, especially when, you know, your parents were together, was it very like creative and artistic and constantly talking about acting in cinema?
No. It was like any other house, whatever happened during the day and stuff.
So you didn't have like great creative influences with these
We did, but it wasn't, maybe it wasn't so obvious, you know. So I can't say it was. That dinner table we were discussing, you know, Coppola and Brando, and no, not at all. I mean, I'm sure we did, but it wasn't like that.